Hello everyone, welcome to our video on the Technical University of Munich, commonly known as TUM. If you are considering studying abroad in Germany, TUM should definitely be on your list. Ranked among the top universities in the world, TUM is renowned for its research, innovation and academic excellence. In this video, we will take you through everything you need to know about TUM, from its world-class programs and research facilities to students' life in the vibrant city of Munich. So, let's dive in and explore why TUM could be the perfect destination for your higher education. Founded in 1868, the Technical University of Munich has a long-standing history. It is celebrated for its contributions to science and technology. TUM consistently ranks among the top universities globally, which speaks to its commitment to academic excellence. Its mission focuses on blending research, practical experience, and interdisciplinary learning to foster innovation. Students, TUM offers a wide range of undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs. Some of the key faculties include engineering, computer science, natural science, and business. These faculties are especially popular among Indian students. TUM emphasizes an interdisciplinary approach to education. You will find a strong focus on practical experience and research here. From working in state-of-the-art labs to participating in collaborative projects, there's a lot to look forward to. TUM is home to numerous cutting-edge research facilities and institutes. The university has notable collaborations with the industry leaders and other academic institutions. Students have the opportunity to be involved in pioneering research projects, whether you are into renewable energy, AI, or biotech. TUM offers various platforms to explore your interests. Students, TUM has three main campuses: Munich, Garching, and Weihenstephan. Each campus is equipped with state-of-the-art laboratories and extensive libraries. You will also find modern classrooms and other academic resources to support your studies. For recreational purposes, there are numerous student clubs and extracurricular activities, from sports to cultural pursuits. There is something for everyone to engage in. The student community at TUM is vibrant and diverse. You'll meet people from different cultures and backgrounds. There are various cultural events, sports activities, and student organizations to join. Support services are available for international students. These include language courses, counseling, and career services to help you settle in and succeed. Munich is a city rich in culture and history. It is known for its safety and high quality of life. Accommodation options are diverse, from student dormitories to private housing. The public transportation system is efficient and connects you easily within the city and beyond. Students, applying to TUM is a straightforward process. First, you need to gather your academic transcripts and other key documents. Don't forget about language proficiency tests like TOEFL or IELTS, especially if you are taking a course taught in English. Pay attention to key deadlines and make sure you apply on time. Some tips for a successful application include writing a compelling statement of purpose and getting strong letters of recommendation. TUM offers several scholarships for international students, including DAD and TUM specific scholarships. It is important to budget and manage your living expenses wisely while studying in Munich. There are many resources to help you navigate the financial aspects of studying abroad. Many Indian alumni have successfully graduated from TUM and excelled in their respective fields. For instance, Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, is among the notable alumni. These success stories are a testament to the quality of education and opportunities that TUM provides. To sum up, TUM offers a mix of academic excellence, cutting-edge research, and a vibrant student life. The university's focus on interdisciplinary learning and practical experience sets it apart. With its global reputation and numerous opportunities, TUM is a great choice for your higher education. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you for watching. Vikas Sharma this side from Vrinda International.